Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by emptying the drawer and clearing space. This reduces weight and prevents damage. Next, identify the stop type, spring clip, plastic tab, or metal latch, so you know how it releases. Use a flashlight to inspect the glide and fasteners. Make sure to note which side has the release. Then, with a screwdriver or your fingers, press or lift the release while you gently pull. If it resists, stop and reassess to avoid breaking plastic parts. Once the release is engaged, support the drawer with one hand. You don't want it to fall. Pull straight outward while maintaining pressure on the release, because angled pulls can bend rails or jam rollers. If your furniture uses detachable rear hangers, tilt the drawer up slightly to clear them, then lower and slide free. For soft close systems, depress the locking pivot fully. For ball-bearing glides, lift slightly to free. Make sure to keep track of any screws or small parts you find. After removal, examine the glides and stops for broken tabs, bent metal, or gunk. This explains many sticking issues. Clean with a rag and apply silicone or dry spray lubricant to rollers. Avoid oil that attracts dust. Reinstall by reversing removal. Align, engage rear hangers, then slide until it clicks. If the drawer won't free, check for hidden screws at the back or underside. And if needed, ask a helper to support weight while you release the catches to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.